हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड ईद मुबारक टू ऑल माय मुस्लिम फैंटास्टिक्स एंड टू ऑल in general. Eid Mubarak to everyone. And yeah, so some of you guys has been questioning the religion and everything like that. That's just so weird. Don't do it in here. This is just a very fun place for me to make slimes, and yeah, that's it. So fantastics, as you guys can see in today's video, we are finally doing another no glue no borax recipes that we can actually make in lockdown. So yeah, fantastics, as we all know, it has been a pretty much all India lockdown at this point. हर जगह लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. So I thought कि हम लोग ऐसी स्लाइम्स बनाए जो लॉकडाउन में आप लोग बना पाए at home, which does not require any glue or any borax. So yeah, today we are doing that. So yes, we are trying aloe vera slimes. So as always, without talking much, let's get started with today's video and let's see कि आज हम लोग कौन सी aloe vera slime बनाने वाले हैं. So many of you guys have been requesting for aloe vera slime. So I just searched it, like what is this? So many of you guys have been requesting it, so I searched it. So the first and the second most viewed videos of aloe vera slimes are Slime DIY and this mummy slime. Let's see, we are going to test some aloe vera slime recipes today, and let's see if this no glue no borax recipes actually work. So first we are going to see this one, this slime DIY. So let's see. Are taking an aloe vera. Okay, so I thought they are going to take some aloe vera gel, but they actually took an actual aloe vera. So okay, and then they are just peeling it, I guess. Yeah, now they are scraping. Oh my god, you guys, I actually just got some aloe vera for this video and it smelled so bad, you guys. I just cannot with this, but they are actually taking all the pulp, so I think I need to scrape all the pulp. Okay, next step, we are scraping and scraping. Oh my god, then they are mixing it. Okay, so it does look like a slime, I give them that. This actually looks like this is going to work. I am not very big fan of no glue no borax recipes, but this one actually looks like it can work, and if it works, you guys will have an amazing no glue no borax slime recipe. So yeah, let's see. I think aloe vera is like super available everywhere, so it is really nice. But yeah, they are coloring it. What's next? They're mixing it. Okay, so is the slime ready? Okay, so this is the slime. So yeah, this one actually looks like it will work. So let's see if this one works or not, and let's try this recipe. This recipe looks very promising, you guys. So let's see. So here we have some aloe vera, so let's just first cut it out a little bit. This one doesn't have any, so yeah, pulp, so we are not going to take this one. So I'm not going to suggest you to take a knife and do this, but take a scissor and take off this things over here, and it is going to be easier than knife. And please guys, be careful, they are actually very very sharp and they can get you very badly. So yeah, now all the parts are cut out. Now only this one is left. We are going to use a knife, but you guys can take help of your parents for this one, or if you guys can handle a knife, please be super careful with it. Like, see, I just cannot even cut this one right. Oh my god. Let's just try to cut it. So now let's take our slime bowl and let's collect our slime apparently. Guys, I will suggest you to take a sharp spoon and then take all of this out because it's easier like that. So yeah, just take a sharp spoon. So I am going to fast forward this so you don't have to wait too much. So fantastics, after so much of struggling, I managed to get just this much. And it's like really hard for me to just get this much. Probably my aloe vera was just not that juicy, but yeah, it is summer and my aloe vera plant was struggling. So yeah, let's add some salt in it. I am going to zoom you guys in a little bit. So probably the salt will make its consistency a little bit better. So we have some salt. Let's mix some salt in it. It is, oh my god, you guys, can you see that? The salt actually activated the aloe vera gel. It's not that sticky anymore. It is actually a very nice, oh my god, this no glue no borax slime actually worked. I think it does. So I'm not going to add any green food coloring, that's just so boring. My past 2 slime recipes has green, so yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of purple, just like that. And let's see, this actually turned out blue for some reason. Can you guys see that? It looks more navy blue than purple. What? Is aloe vera gel green or something? I really don't know, but this looks more green. And can you guys see this? This is actually a very nice and jiggly slime. I am actually confident now, like the aloe vera gel, I think it does work. And if this one is the slime recipe, then I will actually give this slime 8 out of 10 just for actually working and not a very fraud slime. It does work, as you guys can see. I have not skipped anything. I have shown you guys everything. So yeah, this slime actually works. Now let me see if this is like super sticky or not. This looks kind of amazing, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. It looks super nice. This can easily be a galaxy slime. So yeah, let me just see this. This is the slime. And oh my god, you guys, so this is not sticking too much to my finger. As you guys can see, this looks almost like barrel slime, and this is like just amazing. So fantastics, now our next slime recipe is going to be this one from Mummy Slimes. So here also same, we are taking some aloe vera pulp. So okay, yes, it is aloe vera gel. Then they are actually water. I think that will dilute the gel and then it will not be actually a slime, but let's see, it might be something. Okay. Okay, then we have to add coloring. Then sugar. Okay. After that, mix. Oh, okay, so this is how it looks. Put it in the fridge for 1 day, and this is how it looks. Now you guys, that first slime looked real, but this one does not look pretty real. But yeah, we are going to try it anyways. This looks like a glue. Okay, so I think it's not really true. They actually made a bubble with it, and it is only possible with a glue slime. So Yeah, I think we are going to expose another slime channel today. So yeah, let's see if this works or not. So we are going to do the same process. Now let's take our second aloe vera and let's try to not waste it so much. And yeah. I'll try my best to just get as much of aloe vera gel as I can, but as you guys can see, the summer is really strong और मेरा aloe vera बहुत ज़्यादा ही dehydrated है, तो उसमें से थोड़ा मुश्किल है ज़्यादा जेल निकालना, but we are going to try. Let's fast forward. Now we have a very little bit of aloe vera, but this will work क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादा बड़ी slime में बना रहे. So let's add a little bit of water in it. Like, I think they added a lot of water. Since we don't have that much of aloe vera gel, we are going to just add a little bit of water, not a lot like them. And I will try my best to mix the aloe vera gel in this completely. So let's mix. So fantastics, I think my aloe vera gel is pretty much completely mixed with my water. As you guys can see, it is very slimy water and there is a big chunk, but I don't think that will be a very big problem. So it is combined in one mixture, and now so that you guys can see, I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring, not green because I'm tired of green. I am adding this orange red, just a very little bit of orange red, like just that much. And now let's mix. And as you guys can see, it is a slime type of consistency. You guys can see all the color is at one place, so it's not like the whole water is colored. It is a very thick mixture. I think I have a little bit of hope in this, but we'll see. So yeah, the salt works with the aloe vera gel very nicely, as we have seen in the first recipe. Let's see if this one works as well or not. Now we are going to add some sugar into this. So yeah, let's add some sugar. It is pretty thick, but anyways, let's add some sugar. Not a lot, but just the right amount. And it does seems to clump up at one place. As you guys can see, it is a very jiggly-ish consistency. Oh my god, guys, you guys can see it does clump up at one place, so it is kind of working. I don't know, let's see. So this is not a retake or anything like that. You guys can see the slime is forming in front of your eyes. Let's just mix a little bit more. Let's add a little bit more sugar as well. Can you guys see that the slime is clumping up at a one? You guys can see that, right? Everything is just one big slimy ball. But so fantastic. As you guys can see, after one day the slime does not formed. Actually, the slime that was formed before was kind of pretty. So जो पहले बनी थी स्लाइम वो काफी अच्छी थी, बट उसको फ्रीज करने के बाद ये वाला जो स्लाइम कंसिस्टेंसी था उसका, यू गाइस कैन सी राइट, दिस कंसिस्टेंसी, द स्लाइमी कंसिस्टेंसी इज ऑल्सो गॉन नाउ. जब हमने उसे फ्रिज में नहीं रखा था तो आप वो वाला कंसिस्टेंसी से भी काइंड ऑफ स्लाइम की तरह खेल सकते हैं. काफी जिगली स्लाइम होगी वो भी, but this consistency is just all liquid. Like as you guys can see, it's just not that great. It is kind of still a consistency, but definitely not जो कि उन्होंने वीडियो में दिखाया था. तो that is a fake slime and that is exposed. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So the like goal for the next video is 800 likes. So if you guys give this video 800 likes fast, then I will upload that video really soon. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.